So today we're going to make another one of these torsion springs. It's important to know which way it's wound, whether it's left hand or right hand. I've made a little jig here. I've got a drill stuck in here that's going to give me the right diameter of hole. So we'll have to anchor a bit of wire. This is 1.1 millimeter diameter piano wire. It's very tight. I'm gonna and because of the way I'm winding this one, I've just got another screw in here to stop it all bending out. Right, got a little hook on the end of this. This is just to keep some tension on the spring. It's a bit of trial and error getting the right diameter, because it does tend to spring open a bit once you've let go of the tension. I'll keep some tension on this just now. This is just a drill bit. And I'm going to start winding the spring, keeping tension on it, keeping it nice and low, keeping the coils together, keeping tension on it, keeping tension, holding the tension, keeping bending that bit there, and we're round once, and keeping tension as much as I can, going around again, keep that pushed down nice and tight, round to about here, a bit more, and go past the bit where you want it to go, a wee bit more, to about there. Now give us a nice bit of tension on the spring. What we've done there now is made a torsion spring. Now we just want to bend the end bit to make it look, cut this to the right length, cut this one, looking at the angle here, cut this one to correct length, and then a couple of bends so we get it looking like that one, a couple of bends on this bit here, and we just do that by putting the wire in the vise and bending it the way we want to go. Okay.